Torej najprej lep pozdrav. Torej veselje mi je in čast, da lahko danes gostimo v naši hiši predsednika parlamenta Gruzije. Odnosi med Slovenijo in Gruzijo so dobri, prijateljski, nimamo odprtih vprašanj, seveda pa na drugi strani ugotavljamo, da je sodelovanje relativno oziroma dosti skromno.
First of all, I would like to wish you a warm welcome, and I would like to express my pleasure and honor to be able to host the chairman of the Parliament of Georgia today. The relations between Slovenia and Georgia are good and friendly, and there are no unresolved issues. However, cooperation between our two countries is relatively modest.
Predsednik parlamenta Gruzije je v današnjem pogovoru predstavil, kako in s katerimi pogledi vidi to možnost sodelovanja. Prav gotovo pa so mi na slovenski strani želeli, da se poglobijo stiki tako na nivoju predsednikov parlamentov, prav gotovo pa tudi med posameznimi delovnimi telesi, ki obravnavajo določena področja, in izražena je bila tudi želja, da bi v Sloveniji oblikovali skupino prijateljstva z parlamentom Gruzije, kajti v parlamentu Gruzije je takšna skupina že oblikovana.
And the chairman of the Parliament of Georgia during today's discussions presented his views on potential cooperation between our two countries. And the Slovenian side has expressed the wish to strengthen relations at the parliamentary level, at the level of the speakers of parliament, as well as at the level of the working bodies of parliaments. And also during the discussions, a wish was expressed that within the Slovenian parliament, a group of friendship with Georgia would be established, because in the Georgian parliament, such a group already exists.
Predsedniku parlamenta Gruzije smo tudi predstavili naše izkušnje na poti v polnopravno članstvo v Evropski uniji in v NATO, glede na prizadevanje, ki obstaja v Gruziji, da gredo po tej poti. Predsednik nam je predstavil tudi odprta vprašanja, ki so povezana na odnose z sosednjimi državami, torej v odnosu tudi do Rusije, kjer smo se mu zahvalili za dodatna pojasnila, hkrati pa predstavili stališče, da se Slovenija prizadeva za mirno reševanje sporov na podlagi dialoga in da si Slovenija želi uspešnih dogovorov v okviru ženevskih pogovorov.
We also shared with the Georgian delegation our experience on the path into the European Union and NATO, and this was done with respect to Georgian aspirations to join these two organizations. And also the chairman of the Georgian parliament presented his views on the open issues with the neighboring countries, including Russia. We thanked him for his additional explanations regarding this issue and added that Slovenia advocates a peaceful resolution of the conflict, one that is based on a dialogue, and of course within the framework of the negotiations conducted within the Geneva Commission.
Mogoče priložnost, da spregovori tudi predsednik parlamenta Gruzije.
Let me now invite the chairman of the Parliament of Georgia to address you.
Thank you very much, Mr. President. Ladies and gentlemen, it's my pleasure to be here today, and it gives me a particular pleasure to note that this is first ever official parliamentary delegation from Georgia visiting Slovenia, so I believe we are opening a new chapter in our cooperation. cooperation which was always in place, and relations between our countries always have been friendly and supportive, but unfortunately, as Mr. President mentioned, the practical steps do not adequately reflect the level of this friendship. So today I believe we are making a practical step which will open the new chapter and which will make this cooperation more practical and more enhanced.
Hvala, gospod predsednik, gospe in gospodje. Rad bi izrazil svoje veliko zadovoljstvo, da sem lahko danes tukaj prvič na obisku na parlamentarni ravni med našima dvema državama. To je zagotovo novo poglavje v našem sodelovanju. Vedno so seveda bili naši odnosi prijateljski in takšni, ki so izražali podporo. Seveda pa je na praktični ravni nekoliko drugače. Takšni odnosi se tam ne odražajo tako in upam, da bo moj današnji obisk to spremenil.
And we believe that next step in making this cooperation even more active could be the reciprocal visit of Slovenian side to Georgia, and I today formally invited President of National Assembly and delegation of National Assembly to visit Georgia, because this will make this cooperation even more enhanced. And we discussed an option of having this visit together with business forum, so that it's not just a political activity between two speakers of parliament, but this is activity which will help us to strengthen our economic relations and economic ties. So we discussed this possibility, and I hope at certain point it will be implemented. So we expect and welcome delegation of your National Assembly, President of your National Assembly, and representatives of your business community to visit Georgia to explore possibilities of more practical cooperation between two countries.
Seveda pa bi lahko takšne odnose prenesli bolj na praktično raven tudi, če bi predsednik vašega parlamenta vrnil moj obisk in prišel v Gruzijo. Seveda bi ga spremljala tudi delegacija drugih parlamentarcev, to bi zagotovo še poglobilo naše sodelovanje. Hkrati pa bi o priložnosti tega obiska tudi organizirali poslovni forum, tako da ne bi šlo le za sodelovanje na področju političnih dejavnosti, ampak da bi to obsegalo tudi gospodarstvo. Torej, resnično upamo, da bomo lahko tudi pri nas pozdravili gospoda predsednika na takšnem obisku, ki ga bodo seveda spremljali tudi predstavniki gospodarstva.
Slovenia for us is a very interesting model and example how a small country from the chaos of conflicts and the wars around it can emerge as a modern European democracy country, member to European institutions. This is the way which Georgia takes now. We are located in a very difficult part of the world. We have conflicts and problems with neighbors, but Georgia is developing as a dynamic, young, progressing European democracy with eventual place and destination in European and Euro-Atlantic institutions. So in that sense, Slovenian experience is very interesting for us, and today we exchanged views on reforms which took place here, reforms which take place now in Georgia, and from that viewpoint I think we have a lot to discuss and cooperate.
Slovenija pa je za nas tudi zelo zanimiv model države, ki se je izvila iz konflikta, iz vojnih razmer in ki je danes moderna demokracija, članica Evropske unije. Tudi Gruzija sedaj gre po tej poti in čeprav se nahaja v zelo težavnem predelu sveta, vendar se razvija v dinamično, mlado, napredno demokracijo z željami po članstvu v evroatlantskih organizacijah in v Evropski uniji. Za nas so bile slovenske izkušnje z te poti zelo zanimive in prav tako pogledi na reforme, ki so potekali v Sloveniji in na tiste, ki potekajo v Gruziji.
We discussed in details experience related to EU and EU integration, and again, Slovenian experience may be interesting and valid for us, because right now, Georgia, we are negotiating association agreement with the EU. We are negotiating deep free trade agreement. So the experience which you have on your way to membership is a valid experience for us, and we talked about it, and we are grateful for the support which we traditionally get from your country in the multilateral format, specifically within the European Union and NATO, supporting Georgia's approximation to EU and Georgia's integration to NATO.
V današnjih pogovorih smo tudi podrobno obravnavali vključevanje v Evropsko unijo in zagotovo je slovenska izkušnja na tem področju za nas zelo zanimiva. Kot veste, smo mi trenutno v pogajanjih za sklenitev pridružitvenega sporazuma z Evropsko unijo in tudi za sklenitev sporazuma, ki se nanaša na poglobljeno in celovito prosto trgovinsko sodelovanje. Torej, mi dejansko zelo cenimo vaše izkušnje in se vam tudi zahvaljujemo za vašo tradicionalno podporo na večstranski ravni pri približevanju Evropske unije in NATO.
So, to sum up, it's a pleasure to be in this beautiful country, and I hope that relations which we are now establishing between our parliaments will develop, and this visit will not be just an isolated event, but will be followed by a reciprocal visit, will be followed by exchange between the group of friends and parliamentary committees, and eventually we will have strong cooperation framework between two of our parliaments. Thank you.